Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, July 25th. Let's see how the market is getting ready to finish the week out. And we can see on Thursday it stopped and took a breath. We had some positive fundamentals circulating around the world actually, including the United States. And I am still looking for that positive close going into the weekend. Although the other question is, do people want to take profits before this weekend? I don't think so. I'm looking for buyers to continue to the upside. So I'm looking for unchanged to higher in that market. The euro, I'm looking for a sideways move here. I am still bullish on that currency, although we have not had much of a move to the upside this week. If you look at the Aussie dollar, it did trade below this bearish level. And the difference between the bearish and bullish level here, that difference in that market is 60 ticks or $600. Is the magnitude of change. And again, that's just a reference for you. Let's move on though, and let's take a look at the interest rate markets. I like it. That 10-year note makes sense. I think the selling that we're seeing here, based upon some of the action that we've seen in these other markets, it all ties together, and I'm looking for further weakness, not a dramatic move, but further weakness to the downside for Friday's action. Also, gold backed off. It backed off because there's just not the demand for it. That excuse that we are looking for has not materialized, and we have seen this market back off. I'd be very surprised if it continues in a lower in a dramatic way for Friday. Typically with this structure we stop and take a breath. But if we look at the energy market, I like this also. I think this makes sense. I call this an equal and opposite. It's the same as the shadow. I'm looking for a rejection and a down move on Friday. But if we look at beans, beans did trade above this bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $350. And what are we looking for here? A sideways move. I just don't see anything supporting a strong move up. And actually, even in wheat, as we traded above this bullish level, the difference between the bearish and the bullish level in that market is $450. It would be the magnitude of change here. And also, I'm looking for a sideways move. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.